Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. These inspiring words were said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India. Our dreams have been materialized by the discovery of low-cost fire alarms. Hello everyone, we are the students of Poddapur HS School participating in Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Our state Tripura, being a small hilly state, it's impossible for the inhabitants to lead a luxurious life. Keeping this in mind, we have developed this device which is very much cost effective.
We got the inspiration from a fire accident near our home. One night, a tragic fire accident happened in our neighborhood. Sadly, 3 cows lost their life. The owner was left in deep misery after realizing that he could have saved those lives if only he had a system to alert him in time. This moved us deeply. That's when we created this model, low-cost fire alarm, and I shared this idea with all my friends. A very simple one, yet a powerful one that can change the world.
Our project is a low-cost fire alarm based on the principle of heat expansion. When the temperature rises during a fire, the circuit activates automatically and sends an alert. The model uses a tube light starter, an old keypad phone, and some connecting wires. The phone is set to quick dial, so as soon as the system is triggered, it instantly calls the preset emergency number. With this project, we aim to prove that even simple materials, when used wisely, can help save lives and ensure safety for all.
So this is the circuit diagram of our model, low-cost fire alarm. The model consists of this thermostat switch which we collected from the tube-light starter. So when the starter gets heated, due to thermal expansion, the 2 wires expand and connect together, completing the circuit. Then the electricity flows. So and then we use the system of quick dial in our keypad phone. Because of the quick dial system, the last contact that is saved here will get called whenever there is a fire. So we have saved our madam's number, so the call goes to our madam. And when the call goes, then the owner of the house or the building will know about the fire accident and can take immediate action.
Our device was made using some simple materials. We used an old dumped keypad mobile, a tube light starter, and some connecting wires. The device primarily works on the principle of thermal expansion. When the 2 metal sheets of the tube light starters get heated, there is a trigger in the circuit and a call alert in the preset emergency number. After making the device, we demonstrated it in the mid-day meal area. There we showed them how it can be used in mid-day meal area too.
Fine. Fire alarm. It is a really good device which has been created by the students of my school. They have been preparing it in our midday meal kitchen room, which is actually far away from my room. It is a good device, very much useful, particularly in remote area. And I hope all the very best for all the students.
After that, we demonstrated it in the District Education Office of North Tripura. There many officials saw the device, they appreciated us very much and also suggested how we can improve more and more in our idea. They also inspired us to work more in future. After that, we also visited a nearby market. There we showed some shopkeepers how the device actually works and how they can use it in their shops, homes for safety.
We are thankful for the opportunity to participate in the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 and we wish all our fellow mates all the best.